Буэнос-Диас. Начинаем нашу поездку на Deep Sea Fishing. Мы отчаливаем. Пацаны, кто первый идет рыгать, тот всех сегодня поет.
Привет.
Привет. Окей. Please address me as a captain. Yes, outlet. I see so many videos from boats leaving this outlet.
This is so cool. This is the best part. Right in the morning. Oh my god. You have to be really careful drinking these outlets. Current and the waves get really yeah, let's get right.
If I tell you to bring it back, bring back the motor. No. Okay, now reel. Turn the crank. Keep turning. Helps if you put your left hand above the reel button. Keep coming. Yeah. Okay, just when it stops, you just go in. I'll get it. Wow. There you go. You got a 4-pack, bud.
Dinner
nice
time.
There you go, buddy.
Welcome.
Got it, bud. Little 4-pack. Yeah, beautiful fish. Okay. Yeah, we'll get them. Let me get these fish in the boat. Let me get these guys in.
Alright, you guys are eating tonight.
Yes, sir.
That's amazing.
What are you eating, guys? Taco, one pack.
Хорошо, Максим?
Nice
So
start.
when you're ready.
Nice start, guys. You look out. Lost one right now.
Come back.
Саша тянет.
Oh, wow. Got one. Oh, no, it's a shark. It's not real.
You lucky one.
3-9. These guys got spines on them.
Гриша тянет. It's a monster. One is a shark, one is a monster.
We can get that one mounted for you, sir. Put him on your wall if you like.
How are we feeling? Got like 29 fish. We lit. Oh, there's a screen on the front.
There they are.
The boys.
The boys.
Here. Fish.
А мы приехали. Я уеду жить в Лондон. маленькие рыбки. Алекс, jump. Это тарпун.
Wow, man. I'm glad we did that because, you see, we trolled about 20 miles and never had a bite.
Yeah, that's crazy.
You know, some of the boats trolling around all day and never had a bite.
Yeah, that's
You know, that makes a long 6 hours, right? Now I'd rather do this. Get you guys some good eating. Yeah, of course.
How many we have? 25? Alex, how many we have? Huh?
27.
27. Okay. It's enough for a small lunch.
Yeah.